If you're experiencing login errors with your Apple ID, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data or restarting your router. Step 2. Verify Apple ID and password. Double check that you are entering the correct Apple ID and password. Make sure there are no typos and that the caps lock key is not on. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Apple ID or Password option to reset it. Step 3. Update your device. Make sure your device is running the latest version of iOS, macOS, or any other relevant operating system. Go to Settings, General Software Update to check for updates and install them if available. Step 4. Check Apple System status. Visit the Apple System status page to see if there are any ongoing issues with Apple ID services. If there are outages, you may need to wait until Apple resolves the problem. Step 5. Sign out and back in. If the above steps don't work, try signing out of your Apple ID and then signing back in. Go to Settings, Rename Sign Out. After signing out, restart your device and sign back in. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most login errors with your Apple ID. If issues persist, consider reaching out to Apple support for further assistance.